This is one of those alarms that looks like it's in a modern era, but it actually has the same type of electromechanical horn as old Simplex devices. Well, not all Simplex devices, but a commonly used electromechanical horn mechanism. I believe for testing purpose, I can just simply put the wires in any two terminals. Of course, making sure positive and negative. And there's a Siemens variant, but this is the Faraday. This is the one with the fire lettering on the sides near the strobe. And the Siemens devices would have fire lettering on the sides of the horn, as shown by my finger. Also, this one has a little strobe magnifier to at least make the strobe brighter, kind of like a flashlight in this case, even though you can see the flashing light in each direction.